Hey guys, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces here. I'm outside on a beautiful spring day here in Ohio, ready to show you something exciting, something fun. I am always inspired to take trash, basically, that somebody else sees as invaluable or just maybe not worth working on, and turning it into something new. And you know that I love my HomeRite products. And they have actually come out with a new sprayer. Now I have the heavy duty sprayer, the Finish Max Extra. This one is supposed to be doing some really great things. So let's take a peek. First, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be doing. I have this ashtray stand that is something where it had a glass dish setting on top, and it's obviously there no more. But the stand definitely has purpose. I'm going to turn it into a side table with a little bit of fun on top. I'm going to be painting this using this new sprayer. It's called the Quick Finish sprayer. You can use it for paint, stains, polys, but also going to be staining the top. Here we've got this sprayer. It's meant for smaller craft jobs. Now, to give you an idea, back here you see my fence, my privacy fence. I sprayed that with the Finish Max Extra sprayer. I'm going to have the links to all these things down below, the products I'll be using and so on, in the description and also in my blog post over at prodigalpieces.com. But really cool item here, and I'll just show you real quick. This is the top that I'm going to be adding. It's just a basic wood brown from the local home improvement store. I'm going to be staining the top and painting the bottom. So the best part about this, while the other sprayers you can do multifunction things as well, you can use paint, stains, and polys, this one allows you to quick disconnect. Now, if you take a minute, you can see the other video I have where I showcase how to set up the other sprayers with its tips and nozzles and different things. With this one, just with like the flick of this thing here, this all comes off. No more hauling this to the sink to clean and trying to keep from submerging that. There are two filters also that make it nice. You just pop off the back here and filter, and you can take this apart and you can take off the canister and clean it out, fill it with your next product, and you're ready to go. I like this. This is simple. It was already simple to clean, but you know, it's always better for things to get easier. So here we go. I'm going to fill it up and show you first the staining of the wood top. I'm going to use a reactive stain. And that means that this stain is not a tint necessarily. It's actually going to be interacting with the tannins in the wood, making it age naturally, but fast. So we're going to do that. I won't probably be able to show you how it happens before your eyes, but you can see in my other blog posts where I've used this stain and had wonderful effects. So let's have at it. Okay, now I've got that stain on, and I did do that very liberally because we want that to soak into the wood so it can have as much deep penetrating stain as possible to react with those tannins. This is a water cleanup stain, and it's you know, non-toxic. It's wonderful to use. So what I'm going to do to clean this out is I just detach this here from the canister, take the canister and contents and put it back in its original container. I have extra. And then I'm going to put soapy water in, connect it all back up, and flush it out. Then I'm going to be putting in my paint and thinning per manufacturer instructions to get the right consistency to work on the stand here. So I'll be back with that. Okay, seriously, this all took about 10 minutes just to spray, but even if you add on the staining and cleaning out the stain and switching to paint, seriously, it was about 20-25 minutes. So this isn't done yet. When it's all put together, I'll be doing a spray poly on top to seal it up nice and wonderful so you have lots of years of use. And then I have a piece that tells a story to my home. right, my table is done. It came from a cigarette stand, you know, with your ashtray. You would have it beside your chair with a glass top. We found this at a thrifted sale and bought the top through a local home improvement store. Added that really neat stain that works with the tannins in the wood, a little bit of typography with some stenciling, or not stenciling, but transferring, and a little graphic here in the center, and now we have a fully functional piece for the home. You can't beat it. It's fun, it's easy to do, and I'm excited to share this with you, not only because it's a fun project, but this new tool that the HomeRite has put out. Doing a giveaway for that over on my blog. So be sure to stop on over, go to prodigalpieces.com. You'll see the link down in the description below that will take you right to this post where the giveaway will be live for just a few days, so don't miss out. If you're seeing this when this post went live, you'll know that the giveaway is still live. But also I want to encourage you to sign up for my newsletter. It's free, comes right to your inbox, doesn't have any attachments to it, but you do get a discount to my shop where I offer items like this, and also a freebie about how to buy furniture for your home from the thrift store, whether to leave that thing on the curb or whether to drag it home. When is it a good option for you? But also, ding that bell icon so you get notifications from my channel, and subscribe. Most of all, leave me some comment love below. I'd love to hear what you would have done maybe differently with this. Would you have painted it differently or done something totally different with the base of the stand? I'd love to hear from you. That's why I do what I do. My goal is to inspire you. So until next time, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces. Bye.